22, question 2, and it's on integration. This question is going for 5 marks. So part A goes for 5 marks. Integrate g of x, and g of x is this part here. So integrate this for 5 marks. All right, and we're all hoping we get this. Add 1 onto the power, divide by the new power. Add 1 onto the power, divide by the new power. If it's just a regular number, you just add an x to the end, and don't forget your c value. And that went for 5 marks out of 30. Okay, so you've got your first 5 marks sorted. Next one, the diagram shows a graph of the function ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are integers, regular numbers. 3 regions are shown. You have region K, region L, and region N. All right, and they're bounded by vertical lines. Okay. It goes region K is 538 square units. So region K is got by integrating 0 up to 2, and it's ax squared plus bx plus c. And it says show that this happens, this formula here. So I'm just going to integrate it like I normally do. So how do I integrate ax squared? I add 1 to the power and divide by 3. The next one, how do I integrate bx? I would add 1 to the power and divide by the new power over 2. And then c, I just integrate the cx. I do that from 2 to 0. Okay. Next, I'm going to do what we always do. I'm going to replace it in, so it's going to be a times 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 squared over 2. And cx is going to be 2. Okay, so 2. So c times 2 is 2x. Then it's going to be minus. And because there's an x in every one, it's all going to be zeros because x gets subbed in. And what I'm going to be left with, oh sorry, it's not a 2x, it's the x gets replaced with 2, so it's going to be 2c. Sorry about that. And we're going to get 8 over a times 3 plus 4 over 2, which is just 2b, plus 2c. And that all equals, what's it? 538, because it says the area is 538. Now, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of the common denominator. Okay. And 538 times 3 is 1614. This is going to be 8a, that's going to be 6b, and that's going to be 6c. Now I'm looking up at this number here and I see 807 and I see 4a. They want 4a, I have 8a. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2 and I'll get 4a plus 3b plus 3c equals 807. Okay, and that's that done. The next part is just a triple simultaneous equation, and I will do that another day. I won't do it now, and I'll stop.